In these 5 pots, I have an indeterminate tomato called Momotaro. I have them growing up this trellis I put together last month. This is a great trellis. It's portable, very strong, easy to put up. It took me about a half an hour to assemble this trellis. If you'd like to see how I did that, click on the link in the description. Let's take a closer look at how I'm training these tomatoes up the twine. The twine is anchored at the base of the plant. You'll notice that the main stem or the main leader is clipped to the twine. So this main leader is being trained up this twine. And along the way, the sucker, which would be growing out at a 45-degree angle from here, is cut out. So as we go up, you'll see another clip. Continue up, another clip, and these suckers are being cut out. Now the purpose of cutting out the sucker is to direct all the energy up the main leader. By directing the energy up the main leader, we're going to have more flower clusters, and as the fruit sets, it will help to develop the fruit because all the energy is going to the fruit. Another purpose of cutting out those suckers is to minimize the bushiness. By minimizing the bushiness, we'll have good airflow from the wind going through the plant and minimizing disease. Now, the only exception to cutting out the sucker is down here at the bottom, where I let a second sucker go off to the side. So I'm training this stem to go up a second line of twine. So here's the twine, and there's the clip. So again, along the way, I am cutting out the suckers to direct the energy up this second line of twine. By training this plant up 2 lines of twine, I should be able to get twice the production. At least that's the hope.